Hey everyone, Ryan from Ebikes I, and today we are unboxing a Burley d-lite X double child trailer. Really excited for this one. Of course, we will have a full review in the coming weeks and talking about how to hook up Burley trailers to electric bikes. And I'll just touch on some of the specs that they share here on the box. The weight of the trailer is 33 pounds, weight capacity 40 pounds per child. Total capacity with cargo is 100 pounds. Bike with children ages 1+, and it has the stroller kit, which is really cool. And I really like that because we can not only use this as a bike trailer, but we can use it as a stroller with up to 2 children. And we can also use it for cargo purposes. For instance, grocery shopping, which is something that we like to do on our bikes. We have our son here who is really excited to open this as well. Lenny, you want to wave? There we go.
Oh, and a kiss. Some
of the other specifications here: adjustable handlebar, it folds, recline. This is the model with the more comfier seats. Again, I'm going to talk about all of these things in depth when we do our full review. This is just an unboxing. I will have a link in the description if you want to check this out or any of the other child trailers from Burley. All right, let's crack this open. Also comes with a flag.
Oh, that's fun. Look at this.
As you can see, it does fold up pretty small compared to how large of a bike trailer this is. All right, here is the front wheel, and they also sell a bunch of accessories with their trailers. So if you prefer, you can get a double wheel set. I think you can even take this thing along with you cross-country skiing. So lots of accessories. We also have the handlebar console. I think this will come in handy, especially as we're using this as a stroller. And Burley does sell a number of different models. This is the one that has the more premium seats, and it also comes with suspension. So we'll definitely be testing that out as well. There's that front wheel. If I lift this up a little bit, the wheel is right here. So here's one of the wheels.
A wheel.
Whoa. 20 by 2.125 inch tires, reflective sidewalls, really like that. Gives you more visibility when you're out on the road. And the other wheel is tucked underneath the seat here, which is important to keep in mind if you do want to ever bring this with you, traveling wise. All right, there's the second wheel. And here's the inside before we get the wheels on. And then there's a package with some other parts in it. And it looks like on the left here, there's a clip which releases the bar. Obviously, this is going to be used in stroller mode. Remember, the Burley is meant to be folded, and with all of the accessories to attach up front, everything is meant to be easily attached or detached. Thus, assembling the Burley is pretty easy. The wheels are quick release simply by pressing the center of the wheel. Perhaps the trickiest part of the install is installing the quick receivers on each side. They fit snugly and as such require a bit of effort to slide into place. From there, the yellow sleeves go in, and then finally the tow bar. Note that there are 2 positions for the tow bar: trailer mode with the tow bar longer and stroller mode with the tow bar shorter. And the weather has not been great the last few days, so we've been really enjoying still going for walks and having our son protected from the elements. What do you think? Whoa. Look at that.
These look pretty luxurious.
Yeah, what are your thoughts, initial reactions?
Oh, it looks wonderful.
5-point harness. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down by his feet, it's like waterproof, so if they spill anything, you can easily wipe it up. Put his water bottles in here on the side.
The side window seems a little bit tinted maybe for the sun.
Yeah.
And still reflective. Even trunk room, that's awesome. Where's the brakes?
Right in the back here.
It is that far?
Yep. Slide it all the way to the left or the right. Can easily be done with your foot.
Nice.
Brake back here. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Burley d-lite X. I think we're pretty excited to check this out.
Super.
So we'll be testing this out over the next few weeks, and then we'll do a full video giving our thoughts, hooking this up to electric bikes. Again, links in the description, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Lenny, what do you think? We should probably read the instructions.